You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now have access to the 3 ignition coils that need to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Switch of the power supply to the coils. Pull on the tab for the power connector to the coils, lifting it with a flathead screwdriver. Now remove the tab. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the lug nut located on the coil. You can now carefully remove the coil. Careful, the coils are fragile. It is important to handle them with care. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a Hoover bit to properly clean around the spark plugs.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
With a socket wrench, an extender, and a 14mm spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug. Finish it off by hand. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug, put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand, then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There are several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer. Or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. Replace the ignition coil. Then screw the retaining screw back on. Reconnect the electric connector. Reconnect the power cable, and finish by pushing the holding tab back in place. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.